For years, Toyota earned its reputation through quiet reliability, a brand trusted by millions, making waves without ever making noise. But now the silence has been broken. In a rare and fiery declaration, Toyota's CEO stepped into the spotlight with an unexpected message: "Our new dynamic force engine will destroy the competition." This wasn't just corporate bravado, it was a bold shift in attitude. Toyota is done playing it safe in the shadows. So what exactly is this new engine? And why is Toyota suddenly so sure it's about to outpace the rest of the auto industry? Let's dive into the story behind Toyota's most ambitious powertrain strategy to date. Toyota isn't just upgrading its engines, it's completely rethinking how they function for the future. While much of the auto world is racing toward full electrification, Toyota is charting its own course with the Dynamic Force engine series, doubling down on fuel engines with groundbreaking innovation. This isn't a minor tune-up. It's part of a massive long-term vision anchored in Toyota's global design framework known as TNGA, or Toyota New Global Architecture. TNGA allows the company to create vehicles that are tougher, more efficient, and easier to manufacture, all while staying agile in a rapidly evolving market. While many companies are focusing only on electric cars, Toyota is improving both fuel and electric systems. The CEO of Toyota said that the new Dynamic Force engines are a big part of the company's plan. These engines are designed to use less fuel, create fewer emissions, and still deliver strong performance. They can also work with different types of fuel, such as ethanol or hydrogen. Toyota believes that fuel engines can still improve and play an important role in the future of transportation. This choice is based on global needs. In many countries, electric cars are not practical because charging stations are limited and electricity is not always reliable. In those places, efficient fuel engines are still the best option. Toyota is building engines that can work in these areas while also meeting environmental regulations and keeping costs low. The new Dynamic Force engines are designed to work with Toyota's TNGA platform. TNGA is a system that allows different cars to share the same parts and design. This helps reduce production time and makes it easier to use the same engine in many types of vehicles. For example, the same engine could be used in both a small sedan and a larger SUV without needing a full redesign. This system helps engineers focus on making engines better instead of starting from scratch each time. It also allows Toyota to bring updates and improvements to many models more quickly. This approach saves money, reduces waste, and supports future changes like switching to new types of fuel. The Dynamic Force engines focus on more than just speed or power. They are built to be efficient, reliable, and better for the environment. One of the most important changes is their high thermal efficiency. This means the engine can turn more fuel into usable energy rather than losing it as heat. These engines also use a longer piston stroke and a mix of fuel injection methods to improve performance and reduce emissions. Cooling systems are also more advanced. Electric water pumps and better temperature control help the engine stay at the right temperature. This makes the engine last longer and work better in different weather conditions. Every part of the engine was designed with care to support both performance and fuel savings. The Dynamic Force series includes 3 types of engines: a 3-cylinder, a 4-cylinder, and a V6. The i3 is small and uses less fuel, which is good for compact cars. The i4 is the most common type, found in many mid-size cars. The V6 is stronger and made for larger vehicles that need more power. Each engine can work with several types of fuel. Toyota is testing options like ethanol and hydrogen. These engines are also designed to work with hybrid systems, so they can be used in both fuel-only and hybrid cars. Toyota builds these engines using its global factories. The design allows for flexible production so the same engine can be made in different countries with local parts. This saves time and money while keeping quality high. It also helps Toyota deal with supply issues and changing demand in different regions. Toyota's vision is to use dynamic force-derived hydrogen engines for niches where battery electric vehicles may fall short, such as long-distance driving, heavy-duty use, or cold climates. Unlike some rivals who aim to phase out internal combustion engines by 2030, Toyota believes a multi-path strategy is more practical and inclusive for emerging markets. In the company's roadmap, dynamic force engines will gradually shift toward exclusive use in electrified powertrains, including hybrids and plug-in hybrids. Pure internal combustion variants will slowly phase out as electrification expands. By the early 2030s, most Toyota vehicles are expected to use dynamic force technology in some hybridized form, delivering low emissions and reduced fuel consumption at scale. Simultaneously, Toyota will continue investing in solid-state batteries, full EVs, and hydrogen fuel cells, but unlike competitors who are betting everything on one solution, Toyota is hedging its bets, allowing its dynamic force architecture to act as a reliable backbone for markets that are not yet EV-ready. This hedging isn't indecision, it's strategic flexibility. The global transition to zero emissions will not be uniform, and Toyota's strategy ensures that it has a scalable, efficient, and proven ICE hybrid option ready to meet customers wherever they are on the path to electrification. While many competitors can match Toyota in innovation, few can rival its production scale, vertical integration, and reliability history. Toyota builds millions of dynamic force engines annually, supported by a supply chain optimized for everything from raw casting to final assembly. This calculated strategy is a reflection of Toyota's core philosophy, a steadfast commitment to Zukuri, or the art of making things. This isn't about resisting change but about mastering a pragmatic and inclusive transition. The company is leveraging its unparalleled expertise in internal combustion, honed over decades, and merging it with cutting-edge electrification. The result is a suite of hybrid powertrains that offer a familiar yet superior driving experience while dramatically reducing emissions today, not in a distant infrastructure-dependent future. The true genius of the dynamic force engine may lie in its role as a bridge. It is designed from the ground up to be agnostic, seamlessly integrating with electric motors and battery systems. This allows Toyota to serve its global customer base effectively, offering everything from efficient pure ICE vehicles in developing markets to advanced hybrids in regions with stronger environmental mandates, all built on the same robust and scalable TNGA foundation. This flexibility is a formidable competitive advantage, insulating the company from the volatility of shifting government policies, fluctuating battery material costs, and the uneven pace of global infrastructure development. Ultimately, Toyota's bet is on the complexity and diversity of the real world. While the headlines are dominated by the electric revolution, Toyota is playing a long game, building a portfolio that can adapt to any outcome. The dynamic force engine is the versatile heart of this strategy, a testament to the idea that the path to a sustainable future isn't a single road, but a network of many routes. Toyota intends to have a vehicle and an engine for every one of them. Toyota's dynamic force engine isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a statement, a reminder that the internal combustion engine still has fight left in it, and Toyota isn't ready to give up its crown without a battle. As rivals rush toward full electrification, Toyota is quietly building something far more strategic, far more calculated. But in a rapidly changing auto industry, will this bold engine be remembered as a master stroke or a missed opportunity? Let us know your thoughts below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.